Hello, I have this HP all-in-one Z1. When I turn on, I'm getting this message. I'm going to show you. Let's turn it on. Okay, as you can see, I'm getting this fan detection error. So let's open this machine and find out, and I'll show you how we can replace the other fan. So let's open it. I'll show you how to open. Let's do it. So we're gonna go ahead, turn off this machine completely, and we're gonna unplug this cable right here, and we're gonna just lay it down like that, right? And we're gonna just go ahead. There's a latch right here. We need to push it and just remove this thing out. You can see it's out. Just gonna put this one aside, and now we're gonna go ahead, remove this part. So there's a button right here. You push it like that, and then just slide it like that. See that? It's out like that. Like that. And then, so let's find out. So right here, this fan is messed up. We need to remove this fan right here, and they're coming together, so we have to replace both of them. So they're, so to get into this fan, there are some screws under here. You cannot see them. So to order to get into those screws, we need to remove this piece right here. So they have 4 screws. I'll show you where are they. There one right here, one right there, and one right here. I don't know if you can see it. And then the last one is right here. So we need to remove 4 screws, and then we have to lift this thing out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. Okay, we're gonna use these other screws right here. Okay, as you can see, I unscrew 4 screws, and we're just gonna lift very easy like that. Slide up. I think I'm gonna unscrew this more. Okay, this should come out now. As you can see, it came out like that. Just put it on the side. Now, as you can see, we can see easily there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can remove all these screws, and then this piece, they're coming together, so we're gonna just take this out, and we're gonna replace with the other fan. So we can unscrew all these right there. Okay, so before you move these, you gotta make sure take this cable out from the motherboard. So please do it so easy, gently. You don't want to mess up the motherboard. Easy, it just came out and just it's right there. Just take the cable out, and you can just see right here. You can just move them like that. It came out.